your girl j.sym back with it, you feel me? And today we're going to be fixing this gigantic hole in my wig. We have some heat protectant and some mousse. You can use any mousse of your choice. I just use it to help me slick back the hair, just to keep it out the way. And then we're going to take our hot comb so we can just hit it and get all those stray hairs out the way so they won't be in the way when we're trying to sew up the big old hole. And if you haven't spotted it already, there it is. Don't ask how we got here. We only worry about how we gonna fix it. So you'll need a C needle and some transparent thread. I tried my best to get you to see it, but look, it's transparent thread. And this knot, I tied like 10 times just so the knot won't thread all the way through the lace. I laid an extra piece of lace on top because I feel like that gives me some leverage with fixing the hole so that once I'm done, the hole won't just pull apart. This was an incredibly tedious process, but it was completely worth it because I fixed my wig for my graduation pictures and I just fixed the wig and did not waste my money, period. So what you want to do is go ahead and thread your knot first and make sure it does not come through. And when you're threading the needle, you'll want to make sure that you get as close to the holes in the lace next to the hole as possible. I hope that makes sense, because you do not want to thread the needle like too far away from the hole, because it's gonna make fixing the hole look not lay seamlessly, if that makes sense. So I'm trying to show y'all the best I can, but also I had to make sure I was able to fix my hole, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all multiple times, but you want to make sure your needle goes through the lace on top as well as through the lace where the hole is, and you want to thread your needle through the loop that you make so that you can pull your thread nice and taut, and it also forms sort of a knot just for security. You also want to make sure you keep your transparent thread pulled nice and taut. You do not want it to have a lot of slack in it, because that runs the risk of you creating a premature knot before you're ready to make a knot. Now I'm going to speed it up a little bit because I do show y'all the whole entire process for me fixing the hole from beginning to end. So you'll see me do the same step over and over again multiple times. And so if you need to see it slow again, you can just head back to the beginning. Okay, so boom, here I was trying to move the lace out the way just so I could see about how much of the hole I had left. And so I was trying to cut the lace out of my way, and I made a mistake, y'all. I accidentally cut the thread in 3, 2, oh my God. But not to worry, not to worry. I actually think that was supposed to happen. And this is also why I was talking about looping your thread to create that extra security. So that's about how much of the hole we have left to fix. I'm just showing you the work so far. Don't worry, we're gonna trim up the lace and clean it up at the end. We just cleaning the rest of the lace off of the front so we can see. And I think it's best, the closer the hole is to the hairline, you're gonna want to not do the extra lace on top for leverage like I was talking. And right here you can see me holding the wig taut so that the hole is pulled closed basically. And I think this gives you a better example of what I was talking about when I was saying to make sure you thread your needle through the holes closest to where your actual hole in your lace is. And what you'll want to do just to secure your work is thread your needle, but not pull it all the way through. Wrap the thread around the needle about 2, 3, 4 times, and then pull the needle through, and now create your knot and you'll be done. Don't forget, you also got to cut off all that excess lace as well. I'm so glad I was able to fix my wig, y'all, and I hope I'm able to help you fix yours. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and go check out more videos on my channel.